what's up everybody, Sami here. Today we are going to compare the camera capabilities between the vivo X100 Ultra, Samsung S24 Ultra and Honor Magic 6 Pro. You know what they're in common? They all have 200 megapixel resolution, and definitely we'll compare that and also much more. Subscribe if you haven't. Let's get started. Cheese. Alright, 4K 60 fps. So let me know who has the best stabilization, who has the best sound. I've already turned on that voice enhancement on the vivo X100 Ultra, and also that noise detection on the Honor Magic 6 Pro. So let's just run. Whoa! Go, go, go! Forrest Gump! Run, 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 run! Alright, so 4K 60 for the Samsung and vivo X100 Ultra, and the Honor Magic 6 Pro only supports 4K 30, which is a bummer. But let's just try to see who has the best stabilization. Alright, I will just walk away a little bit, and this is the front light, so should all look good. And now backlight situation. So, I don't know, like for Samsung it's like totally got black, but I have to view this on computer. Anyway, let's just turn to a bit normal and let's run. Okay. Let me know what's the best stabilization. Alright, zoom test 4K 30. So first Samsung ultra wide. 1, 2, 1.2, 2.2, 2.9, 3, 4.5. So 1, 8, 11, and 20. So it supports max 20 zoom. So let's see, here it is. And now for the vivo X100 Ultra, 0.6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 10, 11, 20. Okay, and this is 20. So you can see the difference. And lastly, the Honor Magic 6 Pro Ultra Wide, 1, 2.3, 8.5, and 10 times. I guess that's the Honor has the worst one, right? Or 4K 30 FPS in this extremely dark environment. Not extremely, but dark environment. I can see that. Okay, let me turn on the voice noise reduction on the Honor Magic 60 Pro. Seems from the screen, the X100 Ultra is the darkest, with the Samsung S24 Ultra being the brightest. I'm not sure if it looks natural. Definitely not looks natural at all. And you can see the flares. Okay, they all got flares. But anyway, too bright. Okay, what is a good video? A night video is just a night video. Okay, it should be darkness. Okay, it should have darkness. Okay, and that's what I think. So unnatural for Samsung S24 Ultra. I prefer the X100 Ultra more over the other two because it looks true to life, definitely. Well, Honor seems a little bit yellowish. Anyway, let me just run a little bit. Check out what's the best stabilization. Okay. Also, for the X100, it seems like it has the least noise. The Samsung S24 Ultra has just too much noise. I guess it just brights the image too much, and that's what. Okay, that's it. Okay, 4K 30 fps for the front camera. Again, Samsung is the brightest. Well, I can see from the screen, it seems like the Honor Magic 6 Pro has a really soft focus. It's like autofocus all the time, right? Samsung has lots of noise. I guess it's bright the image too much and lead to those noise. Okay, again, I would give credit to the X100 Ultra because it looks more natural. Okay, all right, let's do the zoom test. All right, zoom test. Samsung S24 Ultra first. That's ultra wide. 1, 1.7, 2.3, 3.8, and all the way to 8.3, 8.4, and 20 times. Okay, I can see the characters here. A little green one I can actually see very clear now. For the vivo X100 Ultra, 0.6 Ultra white, 1, 2, 3.4, 6, 7, 5, 10, and all the way to 20. So 20 times, I think, comes to the Samsung, seems a little bit like, I think Samsung has clearer image, right? Okay, it's a bit too much noise, a little too soft. on the vivo X100 Ultra. Okay, now go to ultra wide. 1, 2, 1.8, 2.8, 4, 7, 10. Okay, yeah, that's the worst. Okay, the stabilization, the worst on the Honor Magic 6 Pro. Okay, that's 10 times. Okay, that's the zoom.